Good morning. In this video, I am going to write a small program to demonstrate constructor in Java. I am creating the class. I am giving the name as constructor demo. Const demo. No, this we can give for the main class. Class just I am giving 2, the name 2. Now I am giving the constructor. The constructor name will be the name of the class, and in that class I am going to have int L and B. I am going to initiate L with the value of x and y with the value of b with the value of y, and I will be having a method which will display the output. Printing the value of b. Now I am closing the class, and this is the main class, so I am giving its constructor demo. So as per the naming convention, I am going to use capital letter for each and every word for a class, and here I am going to create the object within the main method, public static void main. So within this main I am creating the object for the above class too. And here itself I am going to pass the value for x and y. So x has to be 8 and y as 10, and I am going to call the display function. So now my program is over. Now I need to save this. As usual, I'll change it to all files. And let me give the program name const.demo.java. Now let me open the command mode. D:colon and I'm setting the path. Now I'm going to compile the program. That's demo. Sorry, I missed the spelling. Const demo.java. That's why I got some error. So it's showing one error. So error is clear, cannot resolve symbol. Instead of system, there is a spelling mistake. So while typing, I missed the spelling. Instead of Y, I have typed the word T. So I am correcting the error. And again, I am compiling. So now there is no error. So let me run the program. So it's displaying the value. The value of L is 8 and the value of B is 10. So now we will see the program. It's a very simple program to explain the concept of constructor. Constructor is there to initialize the data member of a class. So in this program, I have a class with the name 2 and it's having two data member L and B. And it's having one method display. Added to that, I have given one more method, a constructor 2. As I think everyone knows, constructor is one type of method. The only difference is the constructor name will be the name of the class and it will initialize the data member of the class. So here the class name is 2, so my constructor name is also 2 and it is having two parameters because I need to initialize two data members in my class L and B. So I am having two parameters X and Y. The X value is assigned to L and Y value is assigned to B. So here, since my data member L and B are of integer type, my constructor's parameter is also integer type. And just I am displaying the variables, displaying the value of L and B in my method display. So the value of L and the value of B. That's all. It's a very simple program. Then I am creating the main method class. Main method class name I have given, since it is a constructor program, const demo. And this is a convention to give the first letter in capital letter for a class. First letter of every word. So here constructor is one word and demo is another word. So C and D I have given in capital. It's a convention, not compulsion. And here within my main, I have created the object for that class 2. And here itself I am passing the integer values 8 and 10. So this 8 is passed to x and 10 is passed to y. So when by the time of the creation of the object, the constructor will be initiated. We don't want to call the constructor explicitly. So here this constructor and this method both are looking somewhat similar, but the method we need to call externally with help of the object of that class, but constructor we won't call. It will be automatically initiated. The constructor will be initiated when the object of the class is created with the parameters, with the same parameter. So from x value of 8 goes to L, and from y value of 10 goes to B. And you can see in the output, L is getting the value 8 and B is getting the value 10. This is how we will use the constructor. You can have more than one constructor in a program. So as a base, we are using only one constructor. So with this, we will stop this.